Dan kuburamnya yo at iging chat na diyang iyong to kateron higing batis
Season 4 2024. Dibangsar siapa bakat yang champion yang ke India Best Dancer Season 4. Siapa bakat yo kenapa yo like umi inu jing Aura. Siapa bakat yang new champion yang ini. Go ahead, yo Steve Joa. So here we go, the champion of the India Best Dancer 2024 Season 4, Steve Jarwa, the local guy from Shillong, Nangman Song.
We love you, Steve!
Their constituency to do the honor. Terdepan yang itu man bayu wan bicikmat UAB gajing penkapuram. Nah, kekti yang ucipkan suyami UXMLA uyami Isar Justin Dakar. Gajing kapi gua ya ucipkan suyami wan penkapuram ya champion. Thank you so much, Sir Justin Dakar, and at the same time, thank you so much to our champion.
Yeah, man.
Jirwa, please kindly introduce yourself. They are your big fans. They vote for you 500 times, as I said before. So kindly introduce yourself to your fans.
Kulisipun Pajba Chat Phi Nong Waro Nong Kong Nong Sep Ikublay Au Ya U Trai Kendrat Wada Yo Bet Yo Biang Yunga Yu I O U Em Lang Wafi Hane Has Nong Wa Maya Hapo Tubel Kumai Snong Dong Phi Wa Ikublay O U U Ma Bul Kendai Wada Khut Maya Uyanga Ha Kane Kajanmet Uyo O U Shembanta Hane Kafet Yongfi Kuble Shubun Shihazan Ngot